Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing an LPS that I recently got in the mail, and I'm super excited because he's actually going to be one of the characters on this channel. So hopefully you guys like him, and here he is. So here's the package I bought from lpsqueen.com. She sells a lot of LPS on her website, so I'll leave a link in the description. And then she just put it in this like plain purple envelope, but it's pretty cute. Okay, so here he is. He came in this pink butterfly bag, and I think this is super cute. I've never seen these type of bags with designs on them. That's really pretty. But anyways, we don't need to worry about the bag. Alright, so here he is. I think he is super cool. And there was two different versions of him, but I got this one. So on the website there was this one, which they considered the blemished version, and then there was the in good condition version. And so I decided to get him because he was like $10.95 and the other one was like $22. So I thought this was a pretty good deal, and he does have just a few scratches on him, but it's actually not too bad. And his head is like, it still bobbles, it's not like turned all the way around, but I think he's in pretty good condition, and I think he's super cute. This is actually my first authentic Great Dane, which I think is pretty cool. And I just love his eyes. They're both stars. And like I said earlier, he's going to be a character on my channel, and his name is going to be David. And he's actually going to be Charcoal's best friend on the channel. And yeah, also I just want to say all credits to LPS and B Reynolds for these characters. They were originally theirs, but I got permission from one of the sisters to use them for my channel, and one of them said yes because they thought it was a good idea to keep the characters alive, so that is what I'm doing. But yeah, this one is going to be David. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and David is actually going to be a part of my Dare series. So if you want to leave him a dare, you can head on over to my Dare series, and in that description there's a link to a Google form to where you can send in dares. And also I'll leave a link to that video in the description of this video if you want to go check that out. But thank you guys so much for watching, and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Bye!